Hello grade 2s, welcome to Tuesday's math lesson. We are going to take all that we have been learning about money and we're going to put it into word problems, which I like to say are real life examples of when you have money and you're going to go to a store and you're going to buy something. You need to know how much change you're going to get. One, because it'll tell you if you have enough money, and two, then you'll know how much money you're going to get back. Okay? Now, we're going to walk through reading it and then how do we answer a word problem. One, you're going to show me how you find the answer, so show me the equation. And two, you finish with a sentence to answer the question. So let's start by reading our question. Mary bought a doll which costs $8.45. She paid the cashier $10. How much change did she receive? So we need to think, do I know the total money that she had or am I trying to find the total? I know the total, right? She has $10. Okay, now she's going to spend some of the money. So I'm going to subtract. Spending is, it's going to take my money away when I spend it. And she's going to buy a doll, which is $8.45. So here is my equation, how I'm going to find the answer. I will also stack it for you for those that would also like to see it stacked. Okay, so $10 is my total, and I have one part. She's going to spend $8.45. So when I'm trying to find the other part, I'm subtracting. Okay, now I can look at the 45 and say, how much would it take me to get up to $9? Okay, well, 5 more would give me 50, and I know 50 to 100 is 50, right? 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that would be 55 cents would get me to $9, and then to go from 9 to 10 would be $1. So I'd have $1.55. Now, if you're like, Mrs. Johnston, I can't do that, you can always stack it. $10, there's no cents. So I'm going to write 0, 0, subtract $8.45. I can stack and do it, okay? I'm going to come over to the 1 here, 0, make this 10, cross it out, make that 9, make this 10, cross it out, make that 9. Now I've got enough in my cents here. I have 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 4 is 5, keep my decimal there, 9 take away 8 is 1, and I write my dollar sign, $1.55. But we're not done yet. I showed how I got the answer, but I have to answer the question. How much change did she receive? What could be my sentence? She received, remember all the spelling of the words are right in the question, $1.55, and I put a period. So the words that I'm going to spell are always in the question. She received $1.55. Okay, so as you go through the word problems, okay, I want you to think of, do I know the total or am I finding it? And I want you to think of if I'm comparing two things, if something costs more or less. Okay, so we're going to do another question here. Okay, and I'm going to say, I'm going to buy a box of cookies, and these cookies are going to cost me, how much are these cookies? It's going to cost me $4.75. Okay? A box of chocolates costs $8.20. I want to know how much cheaper is the cookies. How much cheaper is the box of cookies? How much cheaper is the box of cookies? Well, I have to ask myself, am I trying to find a total, or do I know the total, or am I comparing two things? I'm comparing the box of cookies with the box of chocolates. I'm comparing. And do you remember when we compare what math we're doing? We are subtracting when we compare, because one costs more than the other, and we want to find the difference. What's the difference between the two? How much higher up? How much more expensive? So how much cheaper is the box of cookies? How much is it down here? So when I do my subtraction, the chocolates were more money, and they're the bigger number. I'm going to start with it. So again, you can stack it like this, or you can do this way. And do the Mento. Whichever is quicker. Remember, we only use the Mento when we can do it quickly. If it takes too much work, then we probably should stack it because we will get our answer quicker this way. Okay? So I'm going to do the subtraction here. 0 take away 5 I can't do. Cross that out, put a 1, this becomes 10. Take away 5 is 5. 1 take away 7, I can't do that. So I'm going to cross out the 8, write a 7. This becomes 11. 11 take away 7 is 5. Keep my decimal there. 7 take away 4 is 3. So how much cheaper is the box? Whoops. Sorry, did I do 11 take away 7 was 5? Sorry about that. That is 4. I hope you caught my mistake there. I was doing that quick. How much cheaper is the box of cookies? Right? I could say, I don't know if you can see down at the bottom, the box of cookies are $3.45 cheaper. I'll move the camera there if you can't quite see. Okay? So the box of cookies are $3.45 cheaper. Okay? The box of cookies. Okay? So when you do your work today, you're going to do exercise 39, which is 2 pages. And they are word problems. So you're going to show me how you get your answer, either writing it across or stacking it. And you're going to do a sentence that answers the question. So go back to the part with the question mark and read that. How much did she spend altogether? Okay? But as you start to determine whether you're adding or subtracting or what math you're doing, you're thinking about, do I know the total or am I trying to find the total, right? And that'll help you to determine whether you're adding or subtracting or if you're comparing two things. Okay? So I want you to do that and complete exercise 39 today. Okay?